Well, here we are at the core shed. The last time you were here, you would have seen that was full of trays with rocks. You can see now it's quite empty. Where are they all gone?
We've processed everything. So we completed our drilling at Comet a couple of weeks ago. We've cut and sampled everything. It's been sent to the lab. Now we're just waiting on the final results to come in. So in the meantime, we're prepping everything ready for our drilling program at Apollo.
So where the last time we were here with all the core trays noticeably gone,
Yep.
Where do they all go? What happens to them after you?
So we retain the half core. So we sample half the core and the other half is retained. We have a laydown specifically where that's all kept securely. And then all the data that we've collected goes into our main database where we can pull it into the software that we use to sort of analyse and see how things sit in 3D.
Okay, so when you say half core, what does that mean?
It just means that, core is a cylinder. We cut it in half, so half of it goes into the assay lab and then half is retained, so we've got a record.
So how do you cut it?
We've got a core saw if you want to take a look.
Yeah, let's go have a look.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so picking up, we're talking about cutting the cylinders long ways. What is this beast? What does it do?
So this is the core-wise core cutting facility. Essentially, a tray of core comes in through here. It's taken out of the tray, put in what we call a boat.
A boat?
A boat. The boat's closed. It's then put inside the feed. It then gets moved through the cutting saw. So inside this enclosed area is a diamond blade.
Oh, right.
It cuts the core in half.
Okay.
And spits it out the other end.
So then it separates it in half and then...
Yeah.
Yeah. So then you keep half and then the other half goes to the lab.
That's correct, yeah.
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 Awesome. So thank you core-wise. How are you finding the saw?
It's excellent. It's a fully enclosed system. It recirculates the water that we use to keep the blade cool, and it's got all the safety gear that we need. It's a great system.
And this is a fantastic addition to our lineup, right? Because this is we had a bit of an issue last year with Apollo cutting the core, and now we've got the core shed and the core saw. It's a big investment.
Yeah, historically core was cut manually on a brick saw, and as you can imagine, it used to take a lot of time. This thing just increases the productivity immensely.
Yeah, fantastic investment. So this is a piece of half core?
Yeah, that's correct. So at one point in time, this was a full cylinder. Mm-hmm. Like we were just looking at the core saw, it cuts it in half. We send a half away for assay, and then we retain the other half in the core trays for our records.
That's some beautiful, beautiful rock feature through there. Come and go close up at this.
Yeah, there's a few little quartz stringers, tension veins through there.
Looking good. So that's what we're looking for. So we get that half we keep, the other half gets crushed and goes through a fire assay.
That's correct. Yeah.
And then photon, but we'll come back to photon.
Yeah.